Hi, I'm Dawn Gaydon, and I am your official intenSati leader here on the Depot. intenSati means mindful intention. Inten comes from the word intention. Sati means mindfulness, mindful intention. This practice is a workout, but it's more than a workout. It's an awakening. It's an awakening of the mind, the body, and of the spirit, so that you can live your best life ever. So in this practice, we do movement, mantras, meditation, and music. So imagine martial arts, dance, yoga, whoosh, mashed together. That's what intenSati is. It is a high energy, low impact workout, so anyone can do it. And we use our affirmations with the moves. So you're just gonna repeat after me when we do the moves. So for example, here's my affirmations for this week. I feed my spirit, I train my body, I focus my mind, it's my time. And the class would look like this. I feed my spirit, repeat after me. I train my body, repeat after me. I focus my mind, repeat after me. It's my time, repeat after me. It's a really fun class. It is meant to create lasting, sustainable change for you, for me, for everyone. Because when we change the way we think, it impacts how we feel and how we act. And then that gives us the results we want to see in our world. So please join me on this wonderful class, intenSati, Mondays at 8 a.m. Look forward to seeing you.